Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies across the area currently. Going to see that throughout the morning hours, and we should see that increasing cloudiness from the west build over the area for this afternoon. See temperatures today in the mid-50s, seeing dry conditions today with no chance of precipitation or lightning, and southeasterly winds below 25 knots today. So in general, a fair day, and we'll see some deteriorating conditions once we move in the overnight hours into Friday with a area low pressure as well as an upper level trough moving through the region. It's going to give us a chance of some rainfall as well as a very slight chance of a thunderstorm on Friday. Our current sounding from this morning, we see our freezing level at 6,800 feet. Winds are fairly light throughout the column this morning. Southeast and low levels around 5 to 10 knots. And then we move up into the upper levels, seeing only winds up to about 35 knots at 25,000 feet out of the west. So those winds a lot less than we've seen recently in our soundings this morning, as we do have an area high pressure overhead giving us those lighter upper level winds. As we move into our surface analysis, we do see an area low pressure over the Ohio Valley as well as Tennessee Valley. It's going to be moving towards the region for our Friday, giving us those unsettled conditions, rain showers, breezy to windy conditions, and that very slight chance of a thunderstorm. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have mostly sunny skies across the region this morning, seeing that cloud cover off to our west, with the clouds expected to increase for later today. But overall, for this morning, seeing lots of sunshine across the region. Taking a look at the HRRR model for the next 48 hours, you can see here the cloud cover increases. We see our rain shower chances increase after midnight tonight. And then once we move into tomorrow, we'll see periods of rain showers throughout the area, and we'll continue to see this area low pressure approach the region. You can see here during the late afternoon hours here, the HRRR does have some higher DBZs across the region, even some thunderstorms, but most likely overdone here by the HRRR. But it could be seeing some embedded moderate to heavier rainfall in any of these showers moving through for our Friday afternoon to the evening hours, and continue to see that area low pressure lift through the region for overnight Friday and Saturday. And on Saturday, it looks like we're going to continue to see cloudy skies with possibility of some drizzle across the region. So looking at the European model, you can see that area low pressure across the region for Friday and Saturday. We see that area low pressure lifting off the northeast during the day on Saturday as the closed upper level low cuts off over our area. That's going to give us continued cloudy conditions for Saturday into Sunday, and could be even seeing some light drizzle continuing into Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon, we'll see this area low pressure develop underneath the cutoff upper level low off to our northeast over the open waters of the Atlantic, and that's just going to allow us to continue to see northerly flow as well as some mostly cloud overcast conditions. And moving to Monday, we'll see that area low pressure move off the coast, ridge of high pressure builds in from the southeast states. That's going to give us a warmer day on Monday ahead of a cold front that moves through on Tuesday. Could be seeing a brief shower with this cold front Tuesday, but overall just going to expect mild and drier conditions from Monday into Tuesday. And then for Wednesday, it looks like we're going to see a cooler air mass move in the region. That's going to allow for us to see below average temperatures once again for the middle of next week. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll see a high today around 56, low tonight around 49 during the evening, the temperatures rising into the lower 50s overnight. Winds will be out of the southeast today between about 10 to 16 knots, gusts to 22 knots at times. So a yellow here for our winds. Most likely won't see that 25 knots though. And then overnight we'll see those showers increasing across the region, lighter winds southeast, or east-southeast 7 to 12 knots. Better chance of rainfall between 4 and 8 local on Friday morning, as well as a chance of some lower ceilings. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions in the next 12 hours or so, and then we move into the overnight hours. We'll see possible ceilings below 3,000 feet with any of those showers moving through, and then by tomorrow morning we'll see some overcast skies, some lower clouds around 1,000 as well as 3,000 feet, and some showers in the region. Our tides are running normal. Looking at Friday into Saturday, Friday overcast and breezy. Very slight chance of a thunderstorm with rain likely. We'll see low clouds likely as well, a high of 56 degrees. Friday night, rain showers likely through early overnight, then a chance of some lingering light rain and drizzle. Otherwise, overcast and breezy with low clouds. Very slight chance of a thunderstorm early. Once again for Friday night, a low of 46 degrees. And for Saturday, overcast with low clouds likely, a chance of some drizzle and light rain. High of 53 degrees. So looking at temperatures below normal for Friday and Saturday, unsettled conditions for Friday, with that rain condition for our rain for both periods here for Friday and then early Friday overnight. We'll see winds gusting near 25 knots for both Friday and Friday night, as well as we'll see low ceilings across the area throughout all 3 time periods here. Moving into our 7-day outlook here, you can see we have temperatures in the mid-50s to lower 50s for Thursday through Saturday, and then in the upper 50s for Sunday, more cloudiness across the region, continuing with a 20% chance of a shower in the morning. And then we move into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for next week. Much warmer for Monday and Tuesday. Temperature in the highs around the upper 60s to lower 70s for Monday and Tuesday. And then we look into Wednesday, seeing highs around 60 with breezier conditions and partly cloudy skies. Running about a 20-30% chance of a shower moving through late Monday into early Tuesday with that cold front approaching. But overall, those chances right now look fairly slim. The best chance of rainfall will come on Friday, and looks like we should see about a half to 1 inch of rainfall across the region with this system moving through, and then a continued cloudy and more dreary conditions for Saturday, especially through the first half of Sunday as well. Well, that's complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.